Missiles, market crash, fuel panic, the global crisis are now hitting India. From war updates to your daily life, here are the top 10 biggest developments explained in simple words. First one, fuel situation in India right now. The government reduced excess duty on petrol and removed it on diesel to handle rising oil prices, but people will not see price cuts right now. An LPG tanker with 17,600 metric tons have arrived from Qatar, improving the supply. The government also said clearly that there is no shortage of petrol or diesel and asked people not to panic despite of fake news that are spreading on social media. Second, war tension continues to rise. The conflict between Iran, the US and Israel is getting more serious with attacks, counter-attacks and strong statements from the leaders. Third comes US delays attack talks continue. Donald Trump said that the US will delay its planned strike on Iran's energy sites and extend the deadline for the Strait of Hormuz till April 6. He said talks are going very good, even though Iran has not fully agreed. Fourth, Iran allows some countries ships. Iran said ships from friendly countries like India, Russia, China, Pakistan and Iraq can still pass through the Strait of Hormuz. So the route is not fully closed, which is important for the oil supply. Fifth, strong statement from Trump. Donald Trump also said Irani negotiators are acting strange and warned them to make a deal soon or the situation could become worse. Sixth, Israel claims killing of top commander. Benjamin Netanyahu said Israel has killed the commander of Iran's Guard Navy, blaming him for the actions like blocking the Strait of Hormuz. Seventh, US claims large-scale strikes. US Central Command released footage and said more than 10,000 targets have been hit in Iran under Operation Epic Fury, showing how big the military action is. 8. Global markets fall sharply. Asian markets dropped. Japan fell 1.2%, South Korea had been fell for 3.1% and Australia market also slipped. In USA, the S&P 500 fell 1.7% and now in the correction zone. 9th, Indian markets and rupees under pressure. Sensex fell over 900 points and Nifty dropped around 281 points in the early trade. At the same time, the Indian rupee fell 33 paisa to a record low of 94.24 against the US dollar. 10th, Indian killed in Abu Dhabi. An Indian national was among two people killed in Abu Dhabi after a missile scrap destroyed by UAE air defense fell on a street. The Indian embassy in the UAE expressed deep comfort. This shows how the conflict is now affecting the common people.